I have VIVO Y66 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Press power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you will need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Vivo logo pops up on the screen. This is the Vivo recovery mode. So here let's choose the wipe data, and from the wipe data let's select wipe cache partition. So the wipe cache partition cannot be reversed, but it will only delete the temporary cache files. Other data won't be deleted, so let's choose the wipe cache partition. Wipe cache successful, let's tap OK, let's go back, and now all you need to do is simply choose reboot system and wait a couple of seconds until the device will be ready to use. Alright, as you can see the home screen pops up, so it means that the device boot into the normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.